In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But what you're going to want to do once you do get into Instagram is actually open up your settings by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then selecting the three lines up in the top right corner to open up your account settings. Once you're on your account settings, scroll down on this page and you're going to see an option for account privacy. Go ahead and select that just like so, and then you're going to see a private account option. Go ahead and tick that on, and Instagram is going to pop up with this page that shows you what exactly changing your account to a private account is going to do for you. All you have to do is click this confirmation button, switch to private, and it'll switch you. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. Your profile is now going to be private. You'll see like a little padlock icon up at the top of your profile. Obviously, I didn't switch mine to private, so I don't have it up there right now, but that's where you'd have yours. And you can also start reviewing follow requests from here, which is probably the main reason that you'd want to do this. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.